In this magical experiment, we are going to be poking crayons through this bag full of water. The materials you'll be needing to use is 2 crayons. You could use as many as you want, but I'm using 2. A plastic bag and some water. Let's make some magic happen. I'm going to be pouring the water inside the bag. I'm going to be closing the Ziploc bag. Make sure you close it really tight, but if you don't, it'll spill everywhere. Hold the bag. Bibbidi boppity boo! I'm gonna put it back. I'm gonna use one sharp one. Here's one crayon that went through. Open, hold it with 2 hands, 2 hands. Or do you want to try poking, hold it? You don't need to hold it. Don't pull it back or else water will spill. Here's the other crayon. Look at the magic, what happened.
Cool.
The crayons went through without getting the water out. Is this experiment magic or science? It's science. The polymer in the Ziploc bag allows it to wrap around the pencil when you poke it through, making a seal for the water doesn't get out. And that's science. I hope you try this with your friends someday. You could show them how great you are at doing science. And don't forget to keep this in the Artebula app.
Keep track of your science experiments in your very own portfolio in the Artebula app. Download it today from the Google Play Store or the App Store.